Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 4 power 3 power 2 power x minus 2 power 162 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start the today's video solution. So first I'm taking minus 2 power 162 to other side. So 4 power 3 power 2 power x is equals to 2 power 162. So here I'll take 2 power 162 and we can write it as 2 power 2 times 81. So I'm going to replace this. So 4 power 3 power 2 power x is equals to 2 power 2 times 81. So according to exponent rule, that is x power mn is equals to x power m power n. So I'm going to use this. So 4 power 3 power 2 power x is equals to, we can write it as 2 power 2 power 81. So 2 square is 4 power 81. So if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So we can write it as 3 power 2 power x is equals to 81. Now 3 power 2 power x is equals to 81. We can write it as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That is 3 power 4. So we can replace it. Now again, we can say that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 2 power x is equals to 4. So 2 power x is equals to 4. We can write it as 2 square. If we compare both sides, so x is equals to 2. That's how we can find the value of x. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.